you need a little bit of assistance doing your eyeshadow or eye makeup looks, you need to try these. This is probably my most used. I got like a 2-pack one, but you can buy just these single ones on their own. And I'm just gonna show how I use them. I feel like there's like a ton of different ways you can use it, but this is how I've mostly been doing it. I feel like over the last couple years, I just do less and less eyeshadow looks. Part of it was like, I feel like that whole like clean girl aesthetic was just the vibe, and I just don't go out at night as much, which kind of requires that darker eyeshadow look. But this is just such a nice way to have it be nice and clean and like get that kind of lift that you want without having to do much work. So I'm just flipping it over and doing it the same thing on the other side. The smaller one I'll use for eyeliner, and I just like to do like a little small wing. So for little baby wings, it's good that way. Boom, little baby one. And then I just fill in here. It gives you that kind of like starting point. I'm sure there's a ton of other ways to use it, but that is kind of my main two. Sometimes I'll do a powder liner versus a liquid and use it same method way. I've also seen some people use it kind of like for like a cut crease up top here. Have yet to try that. It's not really a look I do regularly, but that is all. Bye!